Today I will be unboxing Good Housekeeping magazine beauty box. It contains 12 items, as you can see on the leaflet, for the price of £64. So roughly one of these cosmetics is at £5.30, and as you can see they are good quality, and some individual prices of some of them are in the price range of £20–40. The other are a bit cheaper, so overall it's a very good buy in my opinion. So when we move on to the box, it's what we get, nicely sealed. So as on the leaflet, KINGSLEY bodybuilding volumizant, conditioners, shampooing volumizant. Nice, never used anything like that, so we test it. GALLINEE microbiome skincare face cream, nice. TROPIC bamboo face cloth, lovely packaging, and some more information about them. This is really what I wanted, a Stabilised vitamin C serum. I saw the cheapest, you can get it for £36, so in my opinion it's worth it. Buy it here. This Paula's Choice exfoliant, the full size costs £12, the small size, well, I don't know, I don't want to calculate that now, but at least I will test it. OLAPLEX Nourishing hair serum, let's test it, full size. OPI Nail TRINNY London blush, interesting, small and cute. Another mini, which is the Glow Pry. It's super hydrating sleep cream. Again, nice to test. What else? Then we have it's highlighter illuminator. Interesting, curious to use it. Full size of Hairspray. And finally is Dr. Barbara's STURM molecular hair scalp anti-aging shampoo. Nice, anything with anti-aging goes well with me. And TROPIC soothing cleanser. I'm also quite curious to use it. So overall, as you can see, I put all the items on my rebounder. Quite a nice stash. I'm looking forward to test it, and maybe some of the things which I don't use, maybe I can even gift to some of my friends or family. So I'm really pleased with this box. Considering that each item is at £5.30, it's a good bargain.